Welcome back, dear students. Now we are going to study about short terms and computer shortcuts. So let's begin. Page number 56 and 61. So student, you all can see there are some expression had given, and you have to just find out the full form of these expressions. All right. So let's start. FYE. What's the full form of FYE? For your information. F for, Y for your, and I for information, for your information. So the expression mean FYI, for your information. Alright. So I'm moving to the next shortcut, and it's a LOL. So what's the full expression, full form of this expression? Laugh out loud. Right? Or you can say laughing out loudly. It's also the meaning of this expression. So I'm moving to the next. NP. NP means no problem. Okay, what's the meaning of NP? No problem. OMG. Oh my god. O means O, M for my, G for God. Alright. A sap. What the meaning of this expression? The meaning of this expression is as soon as possible. Alright. ROFL. Expression number 6. What's the meaning of this? Rolling on the floor, laughing. Alright. Rolling on the floor, laughing. The next one is SOS. So what's the meaning of this? Save your soul. SOS. Save your soul. And the next expression, expression number 8 is TTYL. What's the meaning of TTYL? Talk to you later, right? People always used to say na TTYL. It means talk to you later. TY. What's the meaning of TY? T for thank, Y for you. Thank you. The next one is DND. What's the meaning of DND? Do not disturb. Do not disturb is the meaning of DND. Alright? BRB. What's the meaning of BRB? Be right back. I'll be right back. For example, okay, we use BRB for saying be right back. What's the meaning of BTW? By the way. By the way is the meaning of BTW. Alright? So I'm moving to the next slide. Yes. Let's read this. A word written in short form is called an abbreviation. When a short form is made by combining the first letter of two or more words so that they make a new word, it is called an acronym. For example, NASA. What is NASA? NASA is an acronym. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, right? So it is an acronym. And what is abbreviation? Abbreviation is a word written in short form. Alright, so here you will find out that it's a combination of both abbreviation and acronym. Alright, so let's start. What's the meaning of PM? Post meridian. What's the meaning of ATM? Automated teller machine is known as ATM. The next, WWF. World Wide Life Fund. Alright, it's a acronym. It is acronym, while PM is an abbreviation. Alright, it's a short form. So what's the meaning of AM? It's also an abbreviation. The meaning of AM is anti-meridian. Alright. UFO is acronym. What's the meaning of UFO? Meaning of UFO is unidentified flying object. AD, Anno Domini. Alright. The next one is Unicef. What's the meaning of Unicef? United Nations International Emergency Fund is known as Unicef. U for United, N for Nations, I for Internationals. Alright. Emergency Fund is known as Unicef. And the next is IST. What's the meaning of IST? Indian Standard Time. I for Indian, S for Standard, T for Time. Okay. And the next one is EG. What's the meaning of EG? Exempli gratia, for example. It's known as easy. And the next is ETA. It's an acronym. What's the meaning of this? Estimated time of arrival is known as ETA. All right. And the last one is also an abbreviation, kg. We all know that it's kilogram. And the next, MBA. The full form of MBA is Master of Business Administration. All right. I think it's clear to all of you. You have to learn it. And I'm moving to the next. Yes, computer shortcuts. So students, you have to just, you all are working nowadays on computer. For example, if you want to print any page, just you go to Control and P, right? If you want to save anything, what you do, you just press Control and S, all right? So whenever you want to just copy of any your file, any of your, pages, then what you do, just Control and C. For cut and paste, Control X. For paste you use Control V. So there are many shortcut given here, and you have to just learn the right shortcut. Not only learn, you have to just make a practice whenever you are working on computer. Okay, so let's get started. How computer savvy are you? You have to find out, are you technology savvy or not? So let's find out. Let's begin the quiz, and you have to answer me. Question number 1. In the internet browsers like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, which key is used to refresh or reload a page? When you are working on your computer and you want to just refresh, right, your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, then what you do? Which key you press there? It's very simple. Options are given there: F2, F3, F5. So I'm just telling you, it's very easy. Yeah, I'm giving you one more second to tell you which one is correct, and if you know, just now tell me in the chat box, in the comment box below. Yes, so the correct option is F5. All right. What is the shortcut key to create the copyright symbol in a Word document, right? Whenever you want to create any copyright symbol in Word document, so which shortcut you will use? You will use Control Alt plus C. Control plus Alt plus C if you want to create any shortcut to create the copyright symbol. All right. Question number 3. What is the shortcut key to change the selected text to italic type, right? For example, you just want to convert, you want to change your text into italic, then what will you do? So you have to just press Control plus I, then your font will change into italic. All right. The next question is, what is the shortcut key to create a new document? If you want to create a new document, so how will you create it? Which shortcut will you use? You have to use Control plus N, then you will get a new document there. All right. Now moving to the next slide. What shortcut key is used to open the history bar in a new tab? If you are working in a new tab and you want to go to the history bar, then which shortcut key you have to use? Control plus H. All right. Question number 6. Which key is used to rename a file or folder? If you want to rename your file or folder, then which key you will use? You have to use F2. All right. If you want to rename any file which you had already saved in your device and you just want to rename it, you just want to rename any folder, so what you have to do, you have to just press F2, then you will get the options there to rename your file. All right. And the next is, what is the purpose of the shortcut Control plus S? In the starting of this chapter, I had already discussed that if you want to save any your document, you have to press Control plus S. So the correct option is B. Yes, the last one, question number 8. In the internet browser like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, which key is used to enter and exit the full screen mode? Okay, for example, if you want to enter in the full screen mode and if you want to exit from the full screen mode, then what you have to do, which key you have to press? You have to press F11. With the help of F11 key, you will be able to enter in an Internet Explorer and in full screen. All right. So yeah, this is completed. Now come here Do you Google often to find out more about things? Whenever we just want to get any information, we just go to the Google, and whatever we wanted to search, we can search it easily, right? Well, Google Inc. is actually a company which developed the search engine Google you use every day, right? This one is a company which developed the search engine Google, which we are using in our everyday life to find information, news, and pictures. Every day, 200 million people use it. Google has a special search engine for children called Kiddle. What do we call it? We called it Kiddle. Kiddle is specially for the children, which can help children find information that is easy for them to understand. For example, if you want to search anything related to you so that you can easily understand it, so what you have to do, you have to just go www.kiddle.com, and then you will easily get the information which you want to know. All right? So student, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoy it, then just like it, and yes, just watch the video and understand it properly, and you need to fill all the correct option in your book. All the best.